Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Now in today's video I'm going to be fitting some LED registration plate lights. So they just go into the recess just above the reg plate obviously. Very easy, very quick install. It's just to make the car look again like the side repeaters that I did on the front of the car, just to make it look a little bit more modern, a little bit more, a little bit newer if you like, because it is a 90s build Civic. So that's what's happening on the Civic EK Budget Build, the Budget Build Civic if you like. They are again a Wish car part. I think I paid £2 or something for a set of 4, because the idea is that I'm going to be fitting them in the side lights as well up front, as well as the reg recess, because it's the same bulb. So yeah, nice and easy install, just something to make the car look a bit newer, a bit more modern, very similar to the side repeaters that I fit previously. If you're interested in that video, I'll link it below. But yeah, I'm going to crack on now. I'm going to get them fitted really quick. I did want to start the video as well outside the car, but it's so windy. I think it's just calmed down now, so hopefully I'll be able to get that done without too much, I don't know, like static audio if you like. It doesn't sound very good anyway. It's just the trees blowing about in the wind, but it doesn't sound very good. But yeah, I'm going to crack on now and I'll catch you in a bit. So here we are, these are the side lights in here, 2 little LED side lights. Please forgive me about the boot floor, I haven't had a chance to clean it or get rid of the stains and stuff, but these are the bulbs, very simple, the 501 style bulbs. But yeah, they've just got a couple of LEDs at the top there, and I think 4 going round the light, and obviously you've got your positive and negative terminals there on the bottom, little spade connector if you like, sort of style light. Exactly the same as the 501 bulbs, except they are LEDs, so they should look a bit whiter. Get rid of the yellow tinge that the normal bulbs have. Yeah, I've got a set of 4 of those, the other 2 in the box of other bits, and they'll be going in with the headlights once I get them done. So that should be it. Now I'm going to show you a bit of footage before and after of me fitting them, and yeah, hopefully you can appreciate the difference. I do think they make a big difference, especially on a night time when you can see it just looks more white. There's a little bit of a blue tinge if you like to the LED ones, whereas the old ones, these normal filament bulbs, they're just got like a yellow tinge to them. They don't look as modern. So yeah, give it a look for yourself, see what you think, let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.